2025 is the perfect year to turn your setbacks into opportunities. In this video, I'll guide you through overcoming demotivation and turning your goals into reality, no matter where you're starting from. 1. Hook. 2024 might not have been your year, but 2025 can be. Demotivation and setbacks happen, but they don't define you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a strong comeback, mentally, physically, and in every aspect of life. 2. Why people get demotivated, lose focus. We all face times where we feel off track. Life throws challenges our way, whether it's career struggles, personal issues, or even physical setbacks like fitness plateaus. This loss of motivation can make us feel like giving up is the easier choice. External stressors, family, work, health, these can drain your energy and focus. Lack of progress. When you put in effort and don't see results quickly, it's easy to lose faith. Self-doubt. Doubting your own abilities and comparing yourself to others can make you feel stuck. 3. The first step, acknowledge the struggle. Mental shift. The first step to any comeback is acknowledging where you're at. Stop running from your struggles. Recognize that setbacks are temporary, but giving up is permanent. Acknowledge your emotions. It's okay to feel low, frustrated, or lost, but don't stay there. You have the power to shift your mindset. Shift your focus. Instead of focusing on everything that went wrong, focus on what you can control. Small wins matter. Reframe the situation. Think of challenges as lessons, not obstacles. Every failure teaches us something valuable for the future. 4. Practical steps to make a comeback. Step 1. Set clear, achievable goals. A comeback requires direction. Start by setting clear goals for 2025. Goals that are specific, measurable, and achievable. Break big goals into smaller tasks. A big goal might seem overwhelming, but when you break it into smaller, manageable steps, it becomes achievable. Track your progress. Write down your goals, track your progress daily, and celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Step 2. Build a routine. Consistency is the secret to success. Start building a daily routine that sets you up for success. Morning routine. Your morning sets the tone for the day. Wake up earlier, get moving, and build habits that align with your goals. Healthy habits. Incorporate small but powerful habits into your day, like hydration, reading, or stretching. End of day reflection. End each day by reviewing your progress and planning for tomorrow. A reflection ritual can help you stay focused. Step 3. Focus on personal growth and self-improvement. Your comeback is about growth, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Invest in learning. Read books, take online courses, or watch motivational videos to stay inspired and learn something new. Stay positive. Surround yourself with positivity. Unfollow negative influences and seek out people who inspire and support you. Mindfulness and mental clarity. Practice mindfulness or meditation to help clear your mind, reduce stress, and stay focused. 5. Overcoming setbacks, how to deal with failures. Comebacks aren't linear. You'll face setbacks, and that's okay. What matters is how you respond to them. Embrace failure. Failure isn't the end. It's simply the opportunity to learn and grow. Look at failure as a teacher, not a wall. Resilience over time. The real strength comes from getting up every time you fall. The more resilient you are, the stronger your comeback will be. Basic nutrition and fitness. Tips to boost your comeback. Your body needs to be in its best shape to tackle the mental and physical demands of a comeback. Balanced nutrition. Fuel your comeback with nutrient-rich foods. Protein, healthy fats, and whole grains will keep your energy levels high. Exercise for mental clarity. Exercise releases endorphins, which boost your mood and help clear your mind. Get at least 30 minutes of exercise daily to keep both your body and mind sharp. Rest and recovery. Don't forget to rest. Overworking yourself will only burn you out. Sleep is essential for both mental and physical recovery. 7. Building a support system for your comeback. You don't have to go through this journey alone. Building a support system is crucial to staying motivated. Accountability partners. Find someone who shares similar goals so you can motivate each other. NAS, community and groups. Join fitness groups, online communities, or support networks that align with your journey. 8. Keep the fire burning. Stay motivated throughout 2025. Motivation doesn't last forever, but discipline does. Keep pushing forward even when things get tough. Your future self will thank you for it. Track your wins. As you make progress, reflect on how far you've come. The small wins will inspire you to keep going. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself when you hit major milestones. Acknowledging your success reinforces the habits that lead to growth. 9. Call to action. Engage and inspire. Are you ready to make 2025 your year? Drop a comment below about what you're going to do differently. And if this video inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more motivational content. 10. Remember, a comeback isn't just about bouncing back from setbacks. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Start today. Your comeback begins now.